Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the Garmin Vivoactive 6 to determine whether it's a game-changing upgrade from the Vivoactive 5 or just a minor refresh. If you're wondering whether this smartwatch is worth the investment, stick around as we explore its design, features, performance, and overall value. Design and build. At first glance, the Vivoactive 6 closely resembles its predecessor, the Vivoactive 5. It retains the same 42mm case size with a 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen. However, Garmin has made some refinements. The watch is now slightly thinner, making it feel more streamlined on the wrist. One physical button has also been redesigned for better usability, which can improve in-workout interactions. Unfortunately, multiple size options are still missing, which might be a downside for those with larger or smaller wrists. Battery life and charging. Garmin has kept the battery performance similar to the Vivoactive 5. You'll still get up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and about 21 hours with GPS enabled. While these numbers are solid, it's a bit disappointing that no improvements have been made in this area. However, Garmin's power management features ensure that battery efficiency remains strong for everyday use. Advanced running features. One of the standout upgrades in the Vivoactive 6 is the introduction of advanced running metrics. The watch now includes running power, ground contact time, vertical oscillation, and stride length, features previously reserved for high-end Garmin devices. The best part? No chest strap is required to access running power data, making it an excellent choice for serious runners. Course navigation is another new addition, allowing users to follow predefined routes directly on their watch. Paired with Garmin's Pace Pro feature, which adjusts your pace based on terrain, this makes the Vivoactive 6 a strong contender for outdoor running and training. Fitness and workout enhancements. Garmin has expanded its daily suggested workouts to include walking, a great addition for casual users. The on-watch workout animations have also been improved, making guided training more interactive and visually engaging. A standout new feature is the Smart Wake alarm. Instead of abruptly waking you up, it tracks your sleep cycle and gently wakes you within a 30-minute window at an optimal time. If you've ever woken up groggy and sluggish, this feature could be a game-changer. Storage and music. The Vivoactive 6 doubles its storage capacity from 4GB to 8GB, allowing for more offline music storage, workout animations, and app downloads. This is a significant upgrade, especially for users who rely on their smartwatch for entertainment during workouts. GPS and tracking improvements. Garmin has enhanced GPS accuracy by adding support for Beidou and QZSS satellites, on top of GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. This should improve tracking precision, particularly in challenging environments like urban areas with tall buildings. However, there's still no dual-frequency GPS, meaning it won't be as accurate as some of Garmin's premium models. User interface and display. The user interface has been refined for a cleaner and more intuitive experience. One major improvement is the ability to display up to 8 data fields per screen, compared to just 4 on the Vivoactive 5. This is a great upgrade for those who like to monitor multiple stats simultaneously. Health and wellness features. While the Vivoactive 6 retains Garmin's Elevate V4 heart rate sensor, it still lacks ECG support, which some competing smartwatches now include. It does, however, maintain essential health tracking features like SpO2 monitoring, stress tracking, body battery insights, and sleep tracking with improved accuracy. Price and availability. The Garmin Vivoactive 6 is priced at $300 in the US and will be available for order starting April 4th. Given the feature upgrades, it presents a solid value for fitness enthusiasts who need enhanced running metrics, improved navigation tools, and better workout features. Final verdict. So, is the Garmin Vivoactive 6 a must-have upgrade? Not necessarily for everyone. If you already own the Vivoactive 5 and it meets your needs, upgrading might not be essential. However, if you're a runner looking for better metrics, a smartwatch user seeking improved navigation features, or someone who wants a more refined experience, the Vivoactive 6 is a worthy investment. What do you think of the new Vivoactive 6? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring tech. This is Techno Trend Zone, signing off.